Umengameli wenhlangano engezinzuzo iSivananda World Peace Foundation u-Ishwa Ramlachman Mabheka Zulu uthi ukwakhiwa kwesikhungo iSivananda International Peace Yoga and Wellness Center sizolekelela kakhulu ukugqugquzela ubuntu kubantu bakwaZulu Natal. uMabheka ubekhuluma kanjena ngenkathi umholi webandla lamaNazaretha asebuhleni unyazo lwezulu kanye nongqongqoshe omnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana neindaba zomdabu kwaZulu Natal uThula Sizwe Buthelezi bezophendula isoyo lokwakhiwa kwalesi sikhungo kwaDukuza.
Isikhungo iSivananda International Peace Yoga and Wellness Center sizosetshenziselwa ukuzilolonga, ukunakekela imizimba, siphinde sibe namagumbi azosetshenziswa abafundi ukwenza umsebenzi wabo wesikole, ikakhulukazi laba abangenawo ugesi ezindaweni abahlala kuzona.
We are so blessed that this center will serve the larger communities here in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, where we will have a wellness center to look at the needs of the people and also having this wellness center where communities will learn all physical exercises and how to take care of their body, mind and soul. And we're also going to have a community hall together with classrooms where students can come and learn. Some of them don't have electricity in this area. This center will give them the opportunity to come and we'll be fostering good relations amongst all. This center will foster peace amongst all nations and our main aim is to uplift our communities through the center.
Eqhuba uMabheka uthi lesikhungo soqhuquzela ubuntu kubantu bakwaZulu Natal.
This center will welcome people of all races, whether whatever religious background you come from. The center will really be a center of hope for South Africans. We must share in a common motto of Ubuntu, and this center must practically promote Ubuntu. You know, we must be there for people and welcome people. And what, for me, the elderly Gokos that need a place to congregate, to come together, share in oneness, share because they have nowhere to go, and this will create a platform for them to come together and understand each other and also enjoy little games, meals together. So, and also we're also planning to have the health department to come and have health checks for the community at the center as well. So we're really going to have the center as a center of hope for the people of KwaZulu-Natal.
Ungqongqoshe omnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zobuholi bomdabu esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal, umfundisi uThula Sizwe Buthelezi, uthi ukubambisana kwebandla nezinhlaka ezizimele kuzohamba ibanga elide ukwakha isimilo kubantu.
Silapha ke ukuzohlaba isoyi kulomsebenzi oyisimangaliso esimbongayo umnomzana uIshwa ngoba lo msebenzi wenza usuka ejuleni kwenhliziyo yakhe futhi uwenza eindaweni zakithi emphakathini yakithi entulayo. Ukubambisana ke kwebandla nenhlangano ezimele kuzohamba ibanga elide ekwakheni isimilo kubantu bakithi. Ngakho ke nathi njengokhokta sizofaka ihlombe kulomsebenzi, sihalalisa siubongela nomphakathi walapha eGroundville ukuthi sakhiwo esizoba usizo emphakathini sakhiwe kule ndawo.
Ezindabeni ze1KZN TV ngingusiyabongwa kaDuma kwaDukuza.